This is our crew. My name is Rob. We were part of the oral fixation theme camp last year that provided bike repairs and solar powered popsicles to the masses. Our team is made up of artists and engineers of all kinds. This year, we want to build something extraordinary. We want to build a massive four-dimensional hypercube. It's going to be a shady place where you can lay in a net to get out of the sun and the wind, but it's also going to be an interactive LED display that you'll be able to see from across Playa. A tesseract is a representation of a four-dimensional shape. While a normal cube has length, width, and height, the fourth perpendicular dimension goes into an imaginary direction. We're lucky to have access to a Hundigger beam machine through Mad River Mass Timber in Humboldt County. This amazing machine lets us process large beams with precision joinery. It features a 5-axis CNC circular saw and multiple 3-axis routers and drills. Here's a pergola we made for the city of Blue Lake. The entire structure holds itself together without any glue or bolts. We plan to use similar techniques for our hypercube. Here's a bunch of LED projects that I've worked on, experimenting with different ways of interaction and combining LEDs with different geometric forms. The entire thing is made out of 12 identical components that can be pre-made and put into a U-Haul truck. And each one of those components is made up of 8 pieces of wood that are joined together. There's steel connectors in between the boards, and the diagonals, they actually join at 120-degree angles. Metal will allow the pieces to just lock together, and then the interior can be basically swapped out either for netting, solid pieces. And so each segment also has an inner circumference of about 25 feet. So that we're going to put 25 feet of LEDs on the inside of this with a protective covering represented by the blue in this. We're going to make a box for electronics. It includes a button that activates a different mode. And depending on they're all networked together, but it can be connected to a centralized power system. Solar and the battery back. I use about a 5 kilowatt hour battery to power approximately 300 feet of LEDs. And depending on the power draw, we can potentially charge it up with a generator efficiently, last all the way through the night. Because pieces of lumber that are 20 feet long, it's going to be big. We're excited to bring this vision to life at Burning Man. We can't wait to share it with the community. Thank you for joining us on this journey.